Hey makers! Whether you're crafting fine furniture or tackling weekend DIY builds, the right accessories can turn a good project into a great one. Today, I'm sharing 15 game-changing woodworking tools and attachments that will save you time, boost your accuracy, and make your shop life a whole lot easier. Let's jump in.
Number 1. In woodworking, a clean, accurate taper can transform a simple piece into something elegant. The micro-jig tapering jig for table saws makes that precision easy, accurate to as little as 1/8 of a degree. Pair it with the Gripper 3D push block, and you can safely cut up to 8-sided tapered legs with confidence. Adjustments are smooth and limitless between 0 and 10 degrees, giving you the freedom to create subtle tapers or bold, dramatic angles. 2 independent memory locks hold your settings, so repeat cuts are quick and consistent. No guesswork, no wasted material. It's the kind of tool that blends accuracy, safety, and repeatability, 3 things every woodworker values when turning an idea into a finished piece. Number 2. When it comes to cutting small parts on a table saw, precision and safety are everything. The PowerTech Small Parts Crosscut Sled Kit is designed for those moments when you need clean, accurate cuts on pieces that are just too small to handle comfortably with a standard setup. Its adjustable rear-mounted blade guard fits most table saws, while the zero-clearance fence and base help reduce tear-out for a crisp finish. The miter safety stop plate prevents the sled from traveling too far forward, keeping your hands well away from the blade. Made with durable aluminum components and an MDF zero-clearance board, it's built for both accuracy and longevity. Whether you're crafting intricate joinery or trimming delicate stock, this sled gives you the control and confidence to work safely without sacrificing precision. Number 3. When it comes to miter joints, strength and style can go hand in hand. The Woodpecker's Spline jig is built to do exactly that, reinforcing your joints while adding a beautiful design detail. Its precision-built frame uses aluminum SuperTrack, smooth UHMW glide strips, and sturdy powder-coated steel legs. 4 molded flip stops keep every spline perfectly aligned, so your results are consistent from piece to piece. It's versatile too, handling projects as narrow as ½ an inch, all the way up to 16 inches wide. And if you're working on something bigger, you can adjust the tracks to tackle pieces up to 3 feet across. 4 narrow splines. It pairs perfectly with your table saw. For wider splines or dovetail work, it's right at home on the router table. Stronger joints, cleaner lines, and a touch of craftsmanship in every cut. Number 4. Drilling at an angle can be tricky, especially if you want the bit to enter the same spot, no matter the tilt. The Woodpecker's Auto Angle Drill Guide solves that with a clever, virtual pivot point right at the surface of your material. That means your entry point never shifts, whether you're drilling straight down or at a 40-degree angle. Index marks on the base make it easy to line up with your layout lines, and the built-in fence and flip stops keep your spacing consistent. Extendable guide rods allow you to set fixed distances from an edge or drill a series of holes, all perfectly aligned. Comfortable hand grips lock the protractor in place, and for tight spots, there's a compact multi-knob. It even includes accessories for centering on stock or working with round pieces. The deluxe version adds longer guide rods and extra flip stops, giving you even more control and versatility. Number 5. When you need perfectly consistent thin strips, accuracy and safety are key. The Woodpecker's Thin Rip Guide takes the guesswork out of the process by acting as a precise stop in your table saw's miter slot, positioned just ahead of the blade. Instead of readjusting your fence for every cut, you simply move your workpiece closer to the blade, and each strip comes out identical to the last. The laser-engraved inch and metric scales make repeatability effortless, while the dual bearing system keeps material moving smoothly with less resistance. By cutting on the offcut side, you avoid pinch points, kickback hazards, and blade deflection, making the process safer and more controlled. It fits most table saws with a standard miter slot, and setup is quick. Lock it in place, set your thickness, and start cutting. Every strip, from the first to the last, will be spot on. Number 6. When you're working with corners, whether inside or outside, getting the right angle is key to a clean, professional fit. The Milescraft Angle Finder makes that process simple by helping you find and transfer angles between 2 points with ease. Its retractable edge guides make layout work faster, and the built-in angle divider is perfect for setting up your miter's saw without guesswork. While it's not designed to give you an exact numeric measurement, it excels at replicating and transferring angles accurately from one piece to another. There are even notches that hold bar clamps upright when you're framing, adding a little extra convenience to your workflow. Whether you're fitting trim, building frames, or tackling custom joinery, this tool helps you match angles consistently so your cuts line up perfectly every time. Number 7. Breaking a sharp edge is one of those finishing touches that makes a project feel complete. The Woodpecker's Easy Edge corner plane does it with precision and control, thanks to its perfectly centered 90-degree V-shaped sole. Every pass enlarges the bevel or radius evenly, no lopsided or inconsistent cuts. With a thumb wheel depth adjustment, you can fine-tune your cut in seconds. Take a light pass for a subtle edge, or dial it in for a more pronounced profile. This model features a 3/16" radius, but you can also choose 1/8, 1/4, or even a 45-degree chamfer, and the blades are interchangeable for maximum versatility. It's a simple, quiet, and satisfying way to add clean chamfers or smooth radii without setting up a router, giving your work that polished, handcrafted feel. Number 8. Clamps are essential in woodworking, but they can leave behind dents, stains, or even damage if you're not careful. Woodpecker's Clamp Pals are a simple way to protect your work, keeping surfaces smooth and free from marks. They offer 3 layers of protection, blocking rust and glue stains, preventing wood from deforming under pressure, and guarding delicate edges or mitered corners from clamp bite. The universal fit works with 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch pipe clamps, parallel jaw clamps, and more, so you can use them across almost any project. They're quick to set up too. Just place them on your workpiece, set your clamp in place, and let the different radius profiles match your clamp size for even, cushioned pressure. It's a small accessory that makes a big difference in keeping your projects looking flawless. Number 9. Sometimes, it's the smallest tools that give you the most control. The Jorgensen 3.5-inch mini wood planer is built for those fine adjustments, trimming edges, smoothing surfaces, or shaping small details in your projects. Its 1-tool steel blade comes finely sharpened for efficient, clean cuts and can be resharpened and reused for years. The body is made from rugged ductile iron, drop-tested for durability, with a zinc alloy lever cap and stainless steel components for a solid, professional feel. Adjusting the cutting depth is simple. Just turn the knob to set the blade exactly where you want it. The polished flat sole glides smoothly over the wood, making it easy to control whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out. Compact, precise, and versatile, it's a handy companion for both workshop builds and creative DIY projects. Number 10. When you're working on smaller projects, you need clamps that are quick, versatile, and gentle on your work. The WorkPro 6-inch mini bar clamps are light-duty, one-handed clamps that can also convert into spreaders, giving you 2 tools in one. With a simple screw-release button, you can switch from clamping to spreading in seconds, handling sizes up to 9.5 inches. The quick-release latch makes adjustments fast, so you can reposition or remove them without slowing down your workflow. Larger, non-marring pads spread pressure evenly, protect your surfaces, and keep your workpiece from slipping. The sturdy rail construction holds up to 50 pounds of force, yet the clamps remain lightweight and easy to handle. Perfect for glue UPS, jig setups, or holding parts in place, they're a small shop essential that delivers big convenience. Number 11. When you're working with irregular shapes, matching them perfectly can be a real challenge. The Saker 10-inch contour gauge makes it simple by instantly duplicating the profile of almost any object, from winding pipes and circular frames to baseboards, moldings, and stair risers. Just press the gauge against the shape, and the pins form an exact outline. Lock the teeth in place, and you've got a template ready to trace onto your material. The adjustable tension lets you fine-tune how easily the pins move, so you can capture even subtle variations in height or angle. Made from durable, rust-resistant ABS plastic, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough for tight spaces like corners or ceiling edges. Whether you're fitting flooring, aligning crown molding, or tackling custom carpentry, this tool takes the guesswork out of complex cuts, giving you a perfect fit every time. Number 12. When you want strong, accurate joints, a good doweling jig can make all the difference. The Matework adjustable width doweling jig is built to handle boards from 3/8 of an inch up to 1 3/4 inches thick, all adjusted smoothly with a simple turn of the handle. Its front arrow marker and laser-etched imperial scale make it easy to find the exact center of your board, so your holes line up perfectly every time. Crafted from high-grade anodized aluminum with a hardened surface, it's tough enough for daily use while resisting wear and corrosion. Whether you're making T-joints, L-joints, edge joints, or tackling more complex builds like cabinets, shelves, or furniture, this jig keeps your drilling straight, consistent, and repeatable. For both pros and DIYers, it's a reliable way to get precise joinery without the guesswork. Number 13. Getting a perfect dado cut can be one of the trickiest parts of woodworking, especially if you're tired of test cuts, guesswork, and constant measuring. The Micro Jig Match Fit Dado stop changes that with a simple, 3-step process that delivers a flawless fit every time. Whether you're making inlays, half-flaps, or other precision joinery, it starts by gauging the exact thickness of your blade, something the Dado stop makes quick and accurate. Once set, you can cut dados that match your material perfectly, without trial and error. It works with any table saw blade or stacked dado set, giving you consistent, repeatable results. For woodworkers who value accuracy and efficiency, it's a small tool that makes a big difference in the quality of your joinery. Number 14. When you need strong, reliable joints without complicated joinery, pocket hole construction is hard to beat. The Craig K4 pocket hole jig makes it fast, accurate, and repeatable. Drill, drive, and you're done. Its adjustable 3-hole drill guide works with materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, giving you flexibility for everything from cabinet frames to furniture builds. The large clamping recess keeps the jig stable on your bench, while the removable drill guide lets you take it right to the workpiece for portable use. Setup is quick, adjustments are simple, and the included dust collection adapter helps keep your workspace clean. Trusted by both DIYers and pros, it's a proven way to create rock-solid joints with minimal fuss, so you can spend more time building and less time fiddling with complicated setups. Number 15. When you're assembling frames, boxes, or cabinets, keeping your boards perfectly square is essential. The Pony 90-degree corner clamp makes that easy, holding pieces at a precise right angle for both corner joints and T-joints. Its adjustable jaw design works with board thicknesses from 3/16 to 7/8 of an inch, while a strong, flexible spring keeps everything firmly in place, even for up to 72 hours without losing grip. Made from reinforced nylon, it's lightweight yet durable enough for regular shop use. The quick-release, single-handle design means you can position and adjust it with one hand, leaving the other free to work. Whether you're gluing, screwing, or just dry fitting, it's a versatile helper for building picture frames, bookshelves, drawers, and more, keeping your project square, secure, and ready for a perfect finish.